These weren't the originals.
Hang on,
they
sorry.
weren't the original.
Okay, so
I do have the originals.
Can I do an excited dance?
Yes. Okay.
Are these Calvin Klein jeans?
They are. They're not the original ones. These are a newer pair because because I have two of them, the originals.
Yeah.
But one of them is in the Met.
The Metropolitan Museum of Art?
No, I found two of them because my mom kept everything. I put them on and they literally they're like up to here. I thought that they were
want high-waist jeans.
Now they're back. I had to give one of them to the Met, literally. And now I'm not sure I could fit into the same one that I was when I was 15.
Just like my childhood. I mean, the amount of donations to the Met I had to make of my wardrobe from the farm. I understand. Yeah.
Yeah.
So,
No.
what
So
year are
this
these?
started my whole. This is just a current pair.
Okay.
Because I didn't have any Calvins for the longest time.
Is that even legal?
I know, it's so crazy. And so then now I just started working with Raf again, just for the label.
If you haven't seen Brooke at brookeshields.com, is on herself on the back label of a new Calvin Klein collection jeans, and she's on the back label as a white label, and she's doing the up there
thing. Yeah.
the thing.
I still don't have enough of the product.